everyone! It's me again, Mariel, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, ayun na nga, ngayong araw na to ay may panibago na naman tayong video. And kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking YouTube channel, ako po ay gumagawa ng mga math tutorial videos and ina-upload ko yan dito sa YouTube and of course sa aking mga social media accounts in here. Ayan, nag-upload din ako dyan ng iba't ibang mga tutorials, mga clips all about mathematics. So, kung bago ka pa lang, please huwag mo muna kalimutang mag-subscribe, i-like tong video, and of course, i-hit mo na din yung notification bell down below para naman syempre palagi kang updated sa mga bago kong tutorials na ina-upload dito sa YouTube. And ito na nga, panibagong video na naman tayo, and ang ating gagawin ngayon is all about polynomial functions or illustrations of polynomial functions for grade 10 mathematics second quarter. Okay, so without further ado, without any daldal, tara na, simulan na natin yung pag-aaral. Ito yung pinaka-first lesson ng second quarter ng grade 10. So, we have here the polynomial function. And when we say polynomial function, it is of degree n in the variable x is a function defined by p of x is equal to a sub n, x raised to n plus a sub n minus 1, x raised to n minus 1 plus a sub 1, x plus a sub 0. And when we say we're gonna illustrate sa polynomial function, ibibigay lang natin yung pinaka-definition and of course yung mga terms related to it, okay? So, polynomial function can be expressed as a polynomial. And ano ba kapag sinabi nating polynomial? So, dapat alam din natin ang ibig sabihin nito, no? So, when we say polynomial, it is the sum or difference of any algebraic expression. Okay, so definitely you are already a grade 10 student, so therefore you have a better understanding of an algebraic expression. No? When we say algebraic expression, ito yung mga pinagsama-samang numbers, variables, mga coefficients, exponents, ayan. Yan yung sinasabi nating algebraic expression. A polynomial function is generally represented by p of x. This is read as p of x, okay? Or di kaya naman ay simply y. So, that is called a function pa din, no? As you can see, kung napapansin nyo dito, it has something to do with pagkakasunod-sunod or orders, no? A sub n meaning to say, siya yung pang-una. Kasi siya yung may pinaka-highest degree, since that is n. And ito, a sub n minus 1, x n minus 1 dahil pababa ang kanilang mga exponent. So, the leading coefficient, ayan, we have a sub n as the leading coefficient. Why is it the leading coefficient? Kasi, kapag may napansin kayo sa polynomial function, the highest degree of the exponent, kung ano yung coefficient na mayroon doon, siya yung pinaka-leading or nauuna dapat. Malalaman mo yun through the exponent. Okay? Kung sino yung may pinakamataas na exponent, siya yung palaging leading or mauuna sa polynomial function. Okay? Siyempre, sunod-sunod na yan pababa ng degree of exponent. The constant term, ito yung a sub 0. Ito naman yung walang variable. Like, a constant lang talaga, number lang talaga siya, real numbers. Okay? So, a is a real number. Dapat yung mga a dito, or yung mga numerical coefficient is a real number, and a sub n is not equal to 0. Hindi pwedeng maging 0 itong a sub n. Okay? Or yung leading coefficient. And is of course a whole number. Yung mga n natin, sila yung mga exponent. Dapat sila ay whole number. No? Hindi pwedeng mag-negative, hindi pwedeng maging fraction. Okay? So, mamaya i-elaborate pa natin siya more further. So, we have here the example, y is equal to 8x cubed plus x raised to 2 minus 2. So, palitan din natin to ng p of x, pero actually, pwede nyo siyang gamitin as y lang. So, p of x or polynomial function equals to 8x cubed plus x squared minus 2. So, we have 8x cubed. As you can see, ito ay 3. Therefore, 8 is the leading coefficient. Okay? The highest degree is 3. So, remember, importante din dito sa polynomial function na marunong tayo mag-identify ng highest degree. So, therefore, this polynomial function has the highest degree of 3 kasi ang kanyang pinaka malaking exponent ay 3. And as you can see, we have x raised to 2 kasi pababa na yan, 3 to minus 2. Ito ay constant, therefore wala siyang exponent. Tama? So now, let us discuss the different types of a polynomial functions. And andyan na nga siya, given na siya, bibigay ko na siya sa inyo. These are the different types of a polynomial function. We have constant function, linear function, quadratic function, the cubic function, and the quartic function, and so on. So, when we say constant, ito yung function na whole number lang talaga siya. Or, ito yung wala siyang kasamang variable. And, for example, we have a times x raised to 0. X raised to 0 is equal to 1. Therefore, there is no variable or literal coefficient na meron kay constant. Kasi, simply, a whole number lang talaga siya. Like itong a, pwedeng p of x is equal to 3. P of x is equal to 4. P of x is equal to 5. Those are the constant function. Mag-isa lang sila na whole number. Okay? And when we are going to talk about the graph of a constant function, that is a straight line in a rectangular coordinate system. Remember, after kasi nitong lesson na to is all about graphing na ng polynomial function. So, syempre, hindi naman kayo madaling makakapag-graph without even knowing what's behind a polynomial function. Kung ano ba yung meron sa kanya, di ba? So, therefore, dinidiscuss muna natin siya. Okay? So, next, we have the linear function. Linear function, we have p of x is equal to ax plus b, and the highest degree of a linear function is 1. Automatic may exponent na 1 yan, di ba? So, that is the highest degree of the linear function, 1. Okay, so kapag ganyan yung nakita nyong itsura, that is a linear function and under siya ng polynomial function. Okay, so ang graph nito in a rectangular coordinate system is a straight line as well. Okay, pa-straight line lang siya. Okay, and then for the third one, we have the quadratic function. And when we say quadratic function, it has the highest degree of 2. So, as you can see, 2 is the highest exponent. Therefore, 2 is the highest degree of a quadratic function. And kapag ganyan yung nakita nyo, that is an example of a quadratic function under the polynomial function. Okay, so we have ax squared plus bx plus c. And I'm sure you are very familiar with this kasi marami na tong discussion sa pang grade 8, grade 9 na mga lessons. Okay? Next, we have the cubic from the word cubic. Ito naman yung merong highest degree of 3. Okay? Ang pinaka-highest exponent niya ay 3. As you can see, we have p of x is equal to ax cubed plus bx raised to 2 plus cx plus d. And of course, kagaya nga ng sinabi ko kanina, the leading coefficient has the highest degree. And when we say leading, sila yung mga nauuna na coefficient or whole number or a. Okay, ganun lang kasimple. Lastly, we have the quartic function. Ito naman yung polynomial function with the highest degree of 4. 4 is the highest exponent. Kapag ganun yung situation, that is an example of a quartic polynomial function. Okay, ganun lang kasimple mga bunso. And as you can see, we have ax raised to 4 plus bx raised to 3 plus cx raised to 2 plus dx plus e. Okay? Remember, e is the constant. Therefore, wala siya talagang exponent. Okay? dx, exponent ay 1, 2, 3, 4, 42, 1, 0. Diba? Ganun lang kasimple ang mga iba't ibang klase ng polynomial function. So, wait lang, nakalimutan ko pala i-discuss yung graph of a quadratic function, cubic, and quartic. Na-erase ko lang to. So, nakalimutan ko lang. Kapag iginrap natin si quadratic function, siya yung magiging parabola. parabola yung style niya sa ating rectangular coordinate system. Ang parabola, ito yung paganito, yan, or paganyan, or paganyan, or paganyan. That is a parabola. Okay? So, imagine nyo na lang, nag-graph natin yan into the coordinate system. Okay? And then, ito namang cubic tsaka quartic, ang graph nila is simply a curve. Para lang talaga silang curve. Depende yon sa kung ano yung mga point na makukuha natin sa kanila. And it depends also to the highest degree of that specific polynomial function kung ano yung magiging graph niya. Basta itong quadratic, ang graph niya is a parabola. Ang ating linear function, ang graph niya is a straight line as well as the constant function. Okay, ganun lang kasimple. So now, let us identify if these are polynomial function or not. So in number 1, we have p of x is equal to x raised to 2 plus 2x plus 1. Is it a polynomial function or not? Yes, of course. And this is a quadratic function kasi ang kanyang highest degree ay 2. Alright? Ganun lang. And then we have p of x is equal to 3x minus 7. This is also a polynomial function. Pinagsama-samang mga monomial. Diba? Remember the monomial, binomial, trinomial, okay? So, remember a polynomial is ito yung pinagsama-samang monomial or an algebraic expression. Okay? So, 3x minus 7, the highest degree is of course 1. Tama? Therefore, this is a linear function. And the graph of a linear function is a straight line. Therefore, kapag ginraph natin to sa rectangular coordinate system, makakapag-drawing tayo ng straight line. Tama? Ito naman parabola kasi it is a quadratic function. Okay? Then, number 3, we have p of x is equal to 7x cubed plus x raised to 2 minus 2. So, this is, of course, a cubic function kasi the highest degree is of course, 3. And that is an example of a cubic function. Okay? Next, we have 5x raised to negative 1 plus 1. This is not a polynomial function. Why? Kasi ang kanyang exponent ay negative 1. And we cannot consider a negative exponent in a polynomial. Okay? As well as in a polynomial function. No. When I say polynomial kanina, it's polynomial expression or equation. And syempre, polynomial function is of course the same with the definition of polynomial expression and polynomial equation. Okay? So therefore, this is not a polynomial function. Number 5, we have 4x raised to 1/2 plus 3x plus 1. Of course, this is also not a polynomial function. Why? Because the exponent is a fraction. And we cannot consider a fraction in a polynomial expression, equation, or function. Okay, so therefore, this is not a polynomial function. We have next is 9x plus 1 divided by x. Of course, this is not considered a polynomial function. Why? Because hindi pwedeng magkaroon ng division ang ating polynomial equation, expression, or function. Okay? Therefore, this is not a polynomial function. As simple as that. So, I guess that would be all for this video. Thank you so much everyone for watching. And I hope na may natutunan kayo sa akin all about the illustrations of a polynomial functions. Okay? Susunod-sunod din na natin yung mga lessons for second quarter dito sa ating YouTube channel. It's either grade 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So, palagi kayong mag-abang sa aking YouTube channel ng mga bago kong i-upload. And para mangyari yun, i-click nyo yung ating notification bell down below para syempre palagi kayong updated whenever na makakapag-upload ako ng math tutorials. Thank you so much everyone, and always remember to make your day productive by gaining knowledge. Again, this is me, Mariel, and see you on my next video.